Okay, today we're going to talk about more effective ways to train the biceps, which are the elbow flexors. Now there's actually 4 muscles that are part of the elbow flexors. There's the long head. Okay, the long head is the biceps brachii, the lateral side of the biceps brachii. And there's the short head, which is the medial side of the biceps brachii. We also have the brachioradialis, which is right about in this vicinity. And then we have the brachialis, which is just superior to the brachioradialis. Okay, finally we have the pronator teres. It's important to train all 4 muscle groups of the biceps. So Kolby here is going to demonstrate a supinated curl. Now supinated grip positioning actually targets the biceps brachii. When the elbows are behind the torso, it's going to target the lateral side of the bicep. Okay, give me a lift and control. 3, 2, 1. Give me one more. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now a good tip when training the bicep is to cock the forearms, the wrist back. That's going to better isolate the biceps muscle and recruit more motor units. Give me another one. As you can see, it's a little bit more challenging. And one more. Good. Another tip, any implement you use, dumbbell, barbell, easy bar, it's important you are squeezing the implement as hard as possible. Squeezing the implement will recruit more motor units to the agonist, the working muscle. Give me one more. And control. Good. So review. When elbows are behind the torso, we're targeting the long head of the biceps brachii. In order to target the short head, elbows need to be in front of the torso. So we're going to switch over to the Scott bench and do a few repetitions over there. So the Scott bench, preacher curl, lots of names. Elbows will be in front, so we're going to target the medial head of the biceps brachii. We're going to start with the pronated grip. Now the pronated grip is the most challenging grip. It's a reverse curl. It targets the brachialis. The brachialis is usually the weakest of all 4 of the biceps muscles. So you can get 2, squeeze the implement, big curl, and control. Training the brachialis is a good way to break training plateaus, and plateaus when you're trying to increase strength to the elbow flexors and size to the elbow flexors. The last tip, we're going to go back to a supinated curl that'll help increase your strength and size to the elbow flexors is, give me a curl, control it down. At the bottom, we want to contract the antagonist. The antagonist is the muscle opposing to the working muscle, the agonist, which would be the triceps. So Kolby's straightening the bar, flexing the triceps before the next additional repetition. Control. Very good. Those are my 4 tips for training the biceps.